People, and welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today we are in full fall effect, and I can't wait to share with you guys what I've come up with for the kitchen table, right? So there's three areas to this kitchen, or to this space: the great room area, the eating area, and then the kitchen. Today I'm doing things a little bit different. I won't have a runner, but I am starting off with this gorgeous brown vase, and it's a glass vase. I'm just gonna sit it in the center here, right? And guys, keep in mind, I have an idea of what I want to do. Use the water. I was cleaning it up on the inside because I was using it somewhere else, and it hasn't dried out yet, so it will. Then I will place these gorgeous terracotta vases. It works so well, and it ties in with everything else going on in this space. I brought in so many browns and earth tones this year, and I'm uber excited about it. Start off with, because I want to deal with the center area. These are vines. Obviously, they're vines, and they're so gorgeous. I will definitely link them below. I am going to spread them throughout and meander them on the table in this space. The leaves have wire, and so they're bendable, and then you have the gorgeous stem and berries. So it gives it a very real-like effect. Oh, that is so pretty, so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is better than I even thought it was going to be on this table. So if you have a dark colored table, I would recommend using a tablecloth or a runner so that that contrast really does illuminate and take center stage. This is so gorgeous. I've only used, I think I used 2 or 3. This is what you get with just 2. So you don't need that many. Keep in mind, my table is extremely large. It's about maybe twice, almost, well, for sure it's a third of the size for a normal table. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is simply gorgeous. And it looks so natural and so real. The vine was chosen for this table as a direct complement to everything else that's going on in the space. And having the stems that are this color, I will place it this way. And you can play with it, bend it, turn it any way that you feel a need to turn it. You can bend it, play with it, position it in any position that you feel necessary. All right, let's keep moving because I really want this video to be a 10-15 minute video. All right, this year I decided for Thanksgiving not to have the traditional Thanksgiving turkey plate. And I ran across a place setting that I just simply love, and it works for my space. I'll show it to you guys. Look at this. Are you dying? First of all, this can be so much more than a regular plate. I can use this as a regular plate or the salad, but I believe I want to use this is so large as a plate. And then at the first of the year where we always do gumbo for New Year's, can you imagine? Because this it's a raised along the side, and it's almost like a super large bowl. So I'm gonna place these out. And this is one of the reasons why I did not do a runner. I thought because of the size of these that it would be a lot. So I opted not to have a runner. This is gorgeous. It is everything that I thought it was going to be. And I'm gonna go with a simple white napkin. Oh my gosh. I am loving this. I am so into elevating and having an experience when you're dining or when you're serving. That is so huge to me. It's the meal, it's the conversation, it's the company. It's all of those little things put together, but when presentation is fly, that's pretty awesome. The way that these plates look on top of the super large, it's almost like you're eating or you have 3 or 4 different plates. Because of the way that this is made, it looks like I have stacked 4 plates together. And this is stunning. This table set, this place set, it is simply stunning. Electing to take the napkin and place it right over the plate. So I'll show you guys. And this is the effect of what that looks like. So it's right over the plate. Yes, the Go Pops against, oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. So on top of the napkin, I will place a spoon and a fork. Oh, that's so, oh my God. I know you don't place the spoon with the fork, so please don't come for me in my DMs. I'm placing the spoon and the fork together because it looks amazing. This flatware, this gold flatware that I have here, I've used, I think I've had it for the last 2, and it has served me well. The vine is so beefy, I'm not sure I'll even have room for candle holders. I should have some room, but I do want to add the table lights. I think you always need flowers or some type of floral for a table. I've got the foliage for the vines that's running through that looks really, really earthy. And now I'm going to place more. And I'm tying this in because I used this in other parts of the space. Now I could separate them even more, but I just want it to look very organic, even though they're faux. I love my faux. I'm not going anywhere without my faux. Now the next, I want to soften up some of the vine down below. So I'm going to take the same type of floral, but it's a different color. And I'm just going to place it in, oh my gosh, wind it through. I'm just placing it through some of the vine, and it breaks up that darkness and it softens it. I decided to just add candle holders very sparingly in the space, and I'm strategically placing them. As gorgeous as this table setting is simply divine, and it is gorgeous. I just want to take out the middle, and I want to use another floral. I've had this for a long time. It's to the trade, but I'll give you guys a close-up. It's gorgeous. It just screams fall to me with the buds. And it has all the right colors that I'm looking for, but it just breaks up. I don't want it to look like a railroad of floral. Yes. And I'm not going to use that many. I think I can just straighten it out and make it straight so I can get them down the narrow neck that we've got going on here. Oh my, yes, yes, yes. Open it up. Wow. Wowzer, wowzer, wowzer. Okay, all right, now that's an arrangement. That is so simple, but yet elegant. Now do you guys see how I broke up the monopoly of same? The table now is much more interesting, and the different textures, the different height elements, and it's not flat. It was flat before, but now it's so welcoming and inviting and just warm. Well, if you like this type of content, go ahead and hit that like button or subscribe. We would love to have you. Stay tuned for the kitchen fall makeover. And I will probably have 3 different looks for the kitchen. And then this year, I'm gonna let you guys vote on what's gonna stay through fall before the holidays. Until next time, make every day a great day.
If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.